In this video, we will make a powerful bioenzyme that nourishes plants and strengthens them against diseases. This natural solution is easy to make and will transform the way you care for your garden. The key ingredient for this bioenzyme is orange peels. Instead of throwing them away, they can be turned into a nutrient-rich powder that plants love. The first step is drying the orange peels. They can be dried in the sun using a dehydrator or air-dried indoors. The goal is to remove all moisture so they can be crushed into a fine powder. Once completely dry, the peels should be blended into a smooth, fine powder. This powder is packed with natural acids and beneficial compounds that help plants grow strong while keeping pests away. A container should then be filled with about 2 liters of rainwater or any non-chlorinated water, since chlorine can kill beneficial bacteria. 6 tablespoons of orange peel powder and an equal amount of brown sugar should be added. Brown sugar aids in fermentation, speeding up the process and enhancing the effectiveness of the bioenzyme. The mixture should be stirred well to dissolve the ingredients before covering the container and letting it sit for about 2 weeks. During this fermentation period, stirring every 2 to 3 days ensures the proper breakdown of ingredients and helps release gases produced in the process. After 2 weeks, the bioenzyme is ready. The cover can be removed and the liquid extracted. A bucket should be filled with 10 liters of water and the fermented mixture strained into it, separating the liquid from any solid particles. The strained bioenzyme can be stored for later use or applied immediately by mixing it with water. There are 2 simple ways to use this liquid. One method is spraying it directly on the plants. The bioenzyme mixture can be poured into a spray bottle and applied to leaves, stems, and even the soil. Spraying allows plants to absorb nutrients through their leaves, making them stronger and more resistant to pest attacks. It also creates a protective barrier that discourages harmful insects from feeding on the plants. Regular spraying reduces the chances of fungal infections and keeps plants looking healthy and vibrant. Another method is pouring the mixture near the roots of the plants. This allows nutrients to soak deep into the soil, feeding the plants from the ground up. The bioenzyme improves soil quality, boosts beneficial microbes, and helps plants absorb nutrients more effectively. It also strengthens root development, leading to healthier growth and higher resistance to drought and diseases. This method ensures a slow and steady supply of natural nutrients for plants. This bioenzyme is a simple yet powerful solution for any garden. It reduces waste, enriches the soil, and protects plants from harmful pests without any chemicals. Regular use results in stronger, healthier plants that thrive in all conditions. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural gardening tips. See you in the next video.